Hello friends, welcome to my channel once again. In today's video, we will learn how you can enable Microsoft CoPilot option. That is an AI tool introduced by Microsoft for Microsoft Windows. And if you have the latest version of Microsoft Windows, you should have this option. It is a replacement of Cortana, but it is a lot better than Cortana. You can check the features of Copilot on Microsoft website, and I will help you to get it installed on your computer. So you need to go to a website that is called GitHub. I will give you guys the link in the description. And you need to download this tool called WTool. So right now, 3.3 is the latest version. Make sure you download the latest version. Click on the zip file to download. And as soon as you click the zip file, it will start downloading, or it will download the file. You can find it in your download folder. I will just open the download folder. So the file is there in our download folder. Right click on it and simply extract it. And extract it to the download folder only. Just click extract and a new folder will be created with the extracted file. If I close this, you will see two folders. So the top one is the zip file and the bottom one is the extracted folder. Now simply open command prompt by typing cmd in the search box and click on the option that is run as administrator. Click yes on user account control and simply type cd space. Now just open this folder by double clicking it, and if you click at the top, it will show the path of that folder. So we need to copy that path. Press Ctrl C after highlighting that path and come back to the command prompt. As soon as you right click, it will paste that path of that particular folder in command prompt window. After pasting that command, press enter on the keyboard. So it will go to that directory. And now I will just close this folder. Now we will have to type the second command to enable this Copilot. You can find the command in the description box, or you can also visit my website. The link will be there in the description to find an article on it. So just copy the command from there, and as soon as you right click, it will paste the command and press enter. So we got the message successfully set feature configuration. Now we can close the command prompt window and we can simply restart the computer. Okay, so our PC has restarted and we finally got the option for Copilot. If you look at the bottom right corner, it shows Microsoft Copilot. So you can use it. And that's it. That's all I wanted to show you in this video. Thank you very much for watching. Please click the like button if you like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you again, and you have a great day. Bye-bye.